Hi everyone. I want to share a deeply personal story that has left a profound impact on my life. It's about my beloved grandmother, my nanay, and the journey we went through together as a family during her final days. A few months ago, my nanay was hospitalized due to complications from diabetes. Her condition was serious and her leg had been amputated to prevent infection from spreading further. Despite the challenges, there was hope. Hope that she would recover, come home, and we could care for her. We were all excited and ready to welcome her back. We had her wheelchair ready, and everyone in the family was determined to make her feel loved and supported. But then, everything changed in an instant. One day, we received a call from my grandfather. He told us that Nanay's condition had worsened. She was growing weaker. And we needed to come to the hospital immediately. That moment was shocking and surreal. Panic set in, and we all rushed to be by her side. Pagdating namin, nakita ko si nanay na nahihirapang huminga. Sobrang sakit makita ang isang taong mahal ko na nagdudurusa at nahihirapan. At that time, gusto ko siyang yakapin. Iparamdam kung gaano ko siya kamahal. Pero hindi ko kinaya. Ang nagawa ko lang ay umiyak sa gilid. Tahimik na nagdarasal na sana, Lord, please heal nanay. Please, bigyan mo pa siya ng panahon. The next day, it was Sunday. I had to return to my boarding house because I had school the following morning. Leaving her was one of the hardest things I've ever done. Deep inside, I wish I could stay longer. But I convinced myself that we should still be there when I returned. Then one night they called me and said she was good. Nanay had passed away.
Can you keep it close? Can you love?
Losing her was one of the most painful experiences of my life. But it also taught me something invaluable. Life is short, time is precious, and the people we love won't always be with us. To Nanay, I love you so much. Thank you for the love, the care, and the wisdom you've given to us. I wish I could have hugged you one last time, told you how much you mean to me, and stayed by your side a little longer. I miss you every day, but I know you're in a better place now, free from pain. Rest well, Nanay. We will always love you. To everyone watching this, I want to leave you with this message. Never take people you love for granted. Hug them, tell them you love them, spend time with them, even the simplest moments. Eating together, sharing stories, or just sitting in the same room are treasures we often overlook. Let's not wait for later or tomorrow because we never know when those moments will run out.